how do you choose to take your yoga practice off the mat? Hi, I'm Genene, and this December, you're invited to celebrate my milestone birthday with me, and I'll share some of my insight into the subject. This class includes some of my most favorite asanas and will be divided into 3 acts, spread across 3 separate videos. They can all be used as standalones, but the third, like any good movie, really needs Act 1 and 2 to earn that satisfying resolution at the end. The full class can be found on my website now at www.yogawithgenene.com. And I'll put that down below so that you can see it as well. In the living of your life, you may find yourself getting lost in the weeds, tangled in the twists of decisions and choice making. Our theme over the course of these 3 videos is tuning your internal compass, ending with compass pose, sometimes called Sundial Pose, Parivritta Surya Yantrasana. But this is not about attaining any peak pose. It's about learning to use your personal internal compass to find your way and to relieve tension in the QL, quadratus lumborum, hip flexors, lats, and obliques. You will stretch your hamstrings and your adductors, otherwise known as inner thighs, engage your core and spinal muscles, and stretch the sides of your body as well. I look forward to seeing you all on the mat for all 3 videos. They'll be dropping December 4th, December 11th, and December 18th. Namaste.